hopefully you can see that nut at the top of that metal shaft. It's hard enough to film it, but you can only imagine what it's like to try and tighten that. It's just impossible to reach with a spanner, and I don't have any special plumbing tools designed for doing that kind of thing, so I needed a tool fast, and I needed to make one, so here's how I did it. I got a piece of copper pipe offcut. Maybe steel pipe might be better. It'd be a stronger, sort of less bendy thing to make my tool out of. And I got a nut. Not a nut, a bolt. I get bolts and nuts muddled up. I don't know if it's just me. I got a bolt that had the same size head. It's best to check the size of the head before you do up the thing. I had to kind of rather guess. But I got that, and I just tapped it into the top of my pipe. Not so far that I couldn't get it out. And now you can see the top of this pipe has a roughly kind of nut-shaped top. So I could slide this up over the shaft that the nut was threaded onto, and then use some pliers or mole grips or something to turn around this. And that enabled me to give it the last bit of tightening that I couldn't do with my fingers or with pliers or anything. So I hope that's given you an idea of how to tighten up things in awkward places without having to buy a special tool, and just use what you've got right there, right now. And here's how the tap turned out. It's not particularly wobbly, it's not quite as tight as I'd like it, but it'll do.